bought this bulletproof glass, but sorry you won't see anything like this in this video, at least today. It was heavy as hell. The three of us could hardly transport it to our place. Scratches, bruises, but we managed. Also, we prepared this kind of table for bulletproof glass and pasted soft pad not to damage the glass. Yes, it sounds funny. And we have these two guys up here. Ready? So, the glass is ready. We are upstairs. The bowling ball is ready too. Oops, forgot to unbox before using. So, let's do it. Just unbelievable. Upstairs it seems that the glass is completely broken, but if you look closer, all the cracks are inside and below the glass. The top glass is still smooth, without cracks, as you see, due to the protective film. And oh man, just look at this dent. To be honest, I never expected such a strong impact. And look at these pieces just below the glass. Guys, I like it so much, so let's continue now. And now the impact will be stronger. And check out the earthquake after the kettlebell falls on the floor. Ready? Let's do it. Oh man, did you see it? The impact was so strong that my metal table just bent over, and the glass bent too and straightened after. Now the glass is almost straight. Just check this dent. But on the top, the glass is still smooth. See? No cracks. But since the glass is still almost not broken, where's my hammer? Just nothing happened to this glass, and all thanks to this film on the top. See, the glass is smooth. But I still have something else to try. Let's check. As you can see, nothing happened to the glass again. But the bullet is simply flattened out. Well guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.